Hello dear friends. I am Sammy from the Digital Partner Supporting Team. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Vizio model D32H G9 TV display's no signal problem. As a first step, you should have checked power outlet, where the TV getting power. Then use any other electrical device plugging to that outlet and confirm that power outlet having power or not. If power outlet having power, replug TV power cable and turn on TV. Third things you need to check TV input mode. Take the TV remote and press input button and go through all inputs. Most of case you can resolve from those steps, but still you're facing no signal problems. You need to check input cable, just HDMI or audio and video cables. You can see this type of cable in TV. This is HDMI cable. Carefully remove cable from the TV. Wait 3 minutes, replug HDMI cable. When you plugging HDMI cable, carefully check the correct side. If you're using audio and video cables, carefully remove cables, wait 3 minutes time. Replug audio and video cables and check. I hope most of the issues may be fixed in those steps. If you need more support, please press like button and subscribe my channel, then leave your message in comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Goodbye.